Unlocking collaboration, the power of pre-workshop meetings. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the nuances of the English language to help you master its complexity and beauty. Today, we're exploring a term that's essential in the professional and educational world: pre-workshop meetings. Understanding this concept is not just about expanding your vocabulary. It's about enhancing your ability to participate effectively in collaborative environments. A pre-workshop meeting is a gathering that takes place before the main workshop or event. Think of it as the setup phase for the main event. These meetings are crucial for several reasons. They help organize thoughts, set expectations, and establish objectives. It's where the groundwork is laid for what's to come, ensuring everyone is on the same page and prepared for the workshop. Why are pre-workshop meetings important? They serve multiple purposes. 1. Clarification. They clarify the workshop's goals and agenda, making sure everyone understands what will be covered and what is expected of them. 2. Preparation. Participants can prepare better when they know what's coming. This could mean doing some pre-reading, thinking about questions, or simply mentally preparing for the workshop. 3. Efficiency. By dealing with administrative details and setting clear goals beforehand, the actual workshop can proceed more smoothly and efficiently. 4. Inclusivity. These meetings offer a chance for all voices to be heard, especially those who might not feel comfortable speaking up in larger groups. To make the most out of pre-workshop meetings, consider the following tips. Be clear about the objectives. Know what you want to achieve by the end of the meeting. Involve everyone. Encourage participation from all members to foster a sense of ownership and commitment. Keep it concise. Time is precious. Stick to the agenda to respect everyone's time. Follow up. Share a summary of the meeting and any action items that participants should complete before the workshop. Pre-workshop meetings might seem like just another meeting, but they are a cornerstone for effective collaboration and learning. They ensure that when the main event arrives, everyone is ready, informed, and aligned towards a common goal. We hope this video sheds light on how pivotal these meetings can be and how you can leverage them for successful outcomes. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep learning, keep growing.